Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Monday the 31st of October. All the early trade dominated by the third FX intervention this year from Japan, traders citing an amount of between 6 to 8 trillion yen in this intervention, however nothing confirmed by the Japanese authorities. In the initial move, dollar yen moving around 400 pips to the upside, however we are currently 100 pips off the highest levels. Market talk that the Bank of Japan is back in at 78.00 in the dollar-yen pair. The Japanese Vice Finance Minister Igarashi also noting he does not believe this will be the last intervention by the Japanese authorities this year. So just keep an eye out on any further yen moves as we move forward through the session. The strength in the dollar index on the back of the intervention has been weighing on the major European pairs, Eurodollar and Cable, however, trading off their overnight session lows on the back of the intervention. Elsewhere in the European session, financials in the equity space have been the worst performing sector. Some of the optimism on the back end of last week following the EU summit seemingly evaporating, and we have another EU summit on Thursday and Friday from the G20 there to look forward to alongside the ECB rate decision. So maybe just some traders pricing in potential market moves already early today. Elsewhere in the fixed income space, bunds have remained bid today. Just worth noting the 10-year government bond yield spreads over bunds. Further pressure coming back on Italy despite earlier market talk that the ECB and the securities market programme is buying in the Italian curve. The Italian 10-year spread over bunds breaking the 400 basis point mark to the upside, sitting at its widest levels. Elsewhere, the French spread has also broken above 100 basis points again. So just keep a close eye out on there as pressure is continuing to mount on Italy. Other than that, it's been particularly quiet in the European session. There is a ECB holiday tomorrow, so many traders taking today off as well. Some slight lighter volumes in the US session. We're looking forward to the Chicago PMI number and later earnings out of Anadarko Petroleum, and also the Fed is to release the outright or the tentative outright Treasury schedule for the next Operation Twist purchases and sales. But otherwise, that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.